Just a quick video to show you a couple things you can do to speed up the scanning process on the Kyoceras. So when you come to this, the home screen, we have had some people kind of complain about when you press the send button, it takes you to this send screen, and then you have to click on One Touch or Address Book to find yourself. So you can actually change the default setting there. So if we start from the home screen, if we click System Menu and click Function Settings, now we can click Function Defaults. Actually, if we go back and click Send Store, you can see this first one is default screen. So instead of the default screen being the destination, you might want to change that to One Touch, and that's going to take you to the One Touch screen. So I'll show you what that looks like. So when you press Send, now it takes you right to all of your One Touches that are saved in the machine. Now, if you don't have anything here, that means you have to set up your address book entries as One Touches, and that's a pretty easy process. But I'm assuming that these are set up for you already. So that's one thing you can do that will speed the process up. Then once you select somebody, if you're scanning all the time and maybe everybody else is only scanning once in a while, one thing you could definitely do is you can highlight, let's say Fred or whatever address you want, click OK or close. Now that's going to take you back to this destination screen. And one thing you can do here is you can click this favorites button and you can click add, find an open button. So I'm going to select 11 and type in scan to Fred. And I'll click enter, register. Now it's going to ask me, do I want to save this on the home screen? I'm going to click yes. Looks good to me. So now what's going to happen is when I walk up to the machine, on your machine it very well could be right here, but on my machine I've got a couple extra entries. Now here's scan to Fred. Now all I have to do is press scan to Fred, and that's going to select that One Touch for me. One other thing that you can do to keep it so you don't have to keep clicking send to Fred. If you're scanning a big job, there is a feature called continuous scan. And what continuous scan will allow you to do is put a bunch of documents up there, press scan or start. It's going to scan those documents, and then it's going to ask you if you have more documents that you need to send. You can keep putting more documents up there and just keep building that job. I don't think that's what you're looking for, but just know that that's an option. I think the first couple things that I showed you are probably going to help you scan quicker.